America's Christmas travel nightmare just exploded. Blizzard hell across the East Coast. CNN reports. Over 10,000 flights canceled at JFK, Newark, D.C. airports since December 24th. That's millions stranded during holiday rush. Washington Post. Rail lines snapped by 50 miles per hour winds. Amtrak service halted from NYC to Boston. Roads buried under 10 inches of snow, some spots 18 inches per NOAA radar. New York Gov. Stay indoors emergency order. Power outages hit 500K homes. Fox Weather. Minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit wind chills. Deadliest storm in 5 years with 15 deaths already. Families separated. Gifts delayed. Economy loses $2 billion daily, says Airlines for America. Trump team warns. Gridlock into new year. Patriots. Is this climate weapon or just bad luck? Like if you're snowed in,